So friends, in this session we see how to find the chord of contact and how to find the polar and what are conjugate points based on conjugate points problems and conjugate lines problems. We have to discuss in this session. So first of all, the first problem here is find the chord of contact 0, 5 with respect to the circle. And in the same way, find the polar of the point 3, minus 1 with respect to the circle 2x square plus 2y square equal to 11. And here also polar. So you have to understand one thing. If we are going to find out the equation of a tangent at some point or equation of chord of contact with respect to some point or equation of polar with respect to some point, anything, with respect to circle, polar of a point, anything. So all these have same formula that is already known to you. It is S1 equal to 0. What is it? S1 equal to 0. So suppose you have to observe this concept. First of all, given circle S identical to what is the given circle? X square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y minus 2 equal to 0, 1. Next, given point P 0, 5. Now, what we are going to find out here now, equation of the chord of contact of 0, 5 with respect to first equation. So chord of contact of 0, 5 with respect to first equation is formula S1 equal to 0. What is the formula? S1 equal to 0. So friends, you have to observe very important point here. If we are going to find the equation of tangent or equation of chord of contact or equation of polar, first of all you have to observe the circle carefully. So here and once you confirm before doing the problem that the coefficient of x square and y square is always the same, then only it is a circle. So already these are same and that must be equals to 1. What is it? That must be equals to 1. Suppose if here what is the coefficient of x square? 1 and what is the coefficient of y square? 1. So these two coefficients are same and also equal to 1. So there is no problem at all. In this there is no problem at all. First suppose here 2x square plus 2y square like that. Then what is it? Coefficients of x square and coefficient of y square is equal, but it is not equal to 1. So first you make it equal to 1, then only you do the sum. That means obviously if it is 2x square plus 2y square like that, first of all what you are going to do? You have to divide the whole equation with 2 and make x square and y square coefficients are 1, then only you have to put the formula here. Then only you apply the formula S1 equal to 0 after making the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square are equal to 1. So ఒకసారి తెలుగులో కూడా చెప్తున్నా. మీకు ఇచ్చిన సర్కిల్ గమనించాలి. మీరు ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ టాంజెంట్ కడదామన్నా, chord ఆఫ్ కాంటాక్ట్ కడదామన్నా, పోలార్ కడదామన్నా ముందు సర్కిల్ ఈక్వేషన్ గమనించి x స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ y స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఎంత ఉన్నాయి సేమ్ ఉండాలి. సేమ్ ఉండడమే కాకుండా 1 అయి ఉండాలి. సో ఇక్కడ 1 అయి ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, డైరెక్ట్ గా మీరు ఫార్ములైజ్ చేసేయచ్చు. ఒకవేళ ఏదైనా లెక్కలో మీకు ఇక్కడ సపోజ్ 2x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2y స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 5x ప్లస్ 4y లైక్ దట్ అలా ఉందనుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? మీరు మొత్తం ఈక్వేషన్ అంతటిని కూడా ముందు ఇక్కడ 2x స్క్వేర్ 2y స్క్వేర్ ఉంది, x స్క్వేర్ y స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ 1 అవ్వాలి కాబట్టి మొత్తం ఈక్వేషన్ అంతటిని 2 తో డివైడ్ చేసి అప్పుడు మనం ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేయాలి. ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. సో S1 ఈక్వల్ టు S1 అంటే ఫార్ములా మీకు తెలుసు, xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. So x into x1, what is x1? 0 plus y into y1, what is y1? 5 plus g into, what is g? From this we have to know g, minus 5, 2g equal to minus 5. So g equal to minus 5 by 2. So it is minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 by 2 into x plus x1. x1 means nothing but 0. F means 4 by 2, 2. F is 2. Y plus y1. y1 is 5. C minus 2 equal to 0. So this implies x into 0, 0. Y into 5, 5y. Minus 5 by 2 into x, because of minus 5 by 2 into x, minus 5 by 2 x, there is no question of 0, plus 2y plus 10 minus 2 equal to 0. Implies first write the x term minus y by 2x, next y terms 5y plus 2y, 7y, and after that constants 10 minus 2, 8 equal to 0. Here by taking 2 as LCM, then it becomes minus 5x plus 14y plus 16 equal to 0. So we multiply with minus, then 5x minus 14y minus 16 equal to 0, which is the chord of contact. Understand? So now we will see this problem. Polar. Here given circle 2x square plus 2y square is equal to 11. You have to observe here. X square coefficient and y square coefficient must be equal to 1, but here there is x square and y square coefficients are equal to 2. So first of all we substitute the whole equation with 2. Then it becomes x square plus y square is equal to 11 by 2. This is the first equation. And given point 3 comma minus 1. Now what we are going to find? Equation of polar. So equation of polar is S1 equal to 0. Implies S1 means xx1 plus yy1 minus 11 by 2 equal to 0 from this equation. So you have to substitute x1 and y1 in this equation. X into 3 plus y into minus 1 minus 11 by 2 equal to 0. So it is nothing but 3x minus 5 minus 11 by 2 equal to 0. On taking the LCM, 6x minus 2y minus 11 equal to 0. 6x minus 2y minus 11 equal to 0, which is the polar. So you have to observe here. Given circle is like this. So first you have to divide with 2 to make it original form, to make it general form. So then only you substitute S1 equal to 0. So that it must be remembered by you. This is the concept. Okay. And now this sum. It is also find the polar. So what is here given circle? In this problem also given circle is x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 25 equal to 0. Okay. This is the first equation. So here x and y square are same and it must be equal to 1. So there is no need to divide. And here from 1, 2g equal to minus 10, g equal to minus 5, 2f equal to minus 10, f equal to minus 5, c equal to 25. Now given point 1 comma minus 2p. Now equation of polar. Equation of polar of p with respect to first equation, like that we write, is S1 equal to 0. So S1 equal to 0 means x1. x1 means 1 plus y1 means minus 2. G means nothing but minus 5 into x plus x1. Next f means minus 5 into y plus y1 plus y1 కాబట్టి minus 2 plus c plus 25 equal to 0. So you multiply it. X minus 2y minus 5x minus 5 minus 5x minus 5x minus 5 into 1 minus 5, and again it is minus 5y plus 10 plus 25 equal to 0. So implies x minus 5x minus 4x minus 2y minus 5y minus 7y, and 25 plus 10 35, 35 minus 5 30 plus 30 equal to 0. So implies multiply it with minus 4x plus 7y minus 30 equal to 0, which is the equation of polar. So friends, we are going to find the equation of contact or equation of polar. First of all, you have to observe the given circle, and in the given circle, if the coefficient of x square and y square are same and both are equal to 1, this is must. If both are same but not equal to 1, then you have to divide the whole equation with that coefficient. Suppose if x square and y square have coefficient 2, divide throughout the equation with 2. If the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square are 5, then you divide throughout the equation with 5, and then you put it as first equation. Then only you substitute the formula s1 equal to 0 after dividing the equation. Okay, that is the main point in this concept. Otherwise, there is no important here. But find the equation of contact or find the equation of polar of a point with respect to a circle must be given to you in your IPA exam for 2 marks. 2 marks, it is very important, so you have to note down. So the second problem is here, a very important problem. It is given to you in your IP examination for 4 marks. It is very important. Find the pole of the line with respect to the circle. So here we are going to find the pole of a line with respect to a circle. So friends, before in the previous classes we discussed a concept point of contact. Point of contact of a line with respect to a circle. So the same procedure will be followed here. So here given circle as x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 5 equal to 0. Take it as first equation. Given line 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Now we are going to find the pole of this line. Pole of this line means obviously it is polar. Okay, so but we don't know the pole, and now we are going to find the pole. So let P x1 y1 be the pole. X1 y1 be the pole. So friends, we are trying to find the equation of a polar of P x1 y1 with respect to given circle. So first మనం polar కడదాం. అసలు సర్కిల్ కి ఈ P x1 y1 దగ్గర polar ఏంటి అనేది కడదాం. నథింగ్ బట్ దీని పోల్ అన్నాడంటే ఇది పోలారే. కాబట్టి ఈ రెండు ఒకే లైన్ రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాయి. అది కాన్సెప్ట్. సో ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ పోలార్ ఆఫ్ P x1 y1 విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు 1 ఏంటి s1 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సో ఫార్ములా ప్రకారంగా x x1, సో నో ప్రాబ్లం ఎట్ ఆల్. సో x x1 P x1 y1 కాబట్టి ప్లస్ y y1 minus d, here minus 6, so g equal to minus 3, so minus 3 into x plus x1 and minus 4 because f minus 4 into y plus y1 plus c5 equal to 0. So it becomes x x1 plus y y1 minus 3x minus 3x1 minus 4y minus 4y1 plus 5 equal to 0. Now, so from these two terms you take common as x, then x1 minus 3 into x, x1 minus 3 into x plus from these two you take common as y, y1 minus 4 and all the remaining are constants. So what are those? Minus 3x1 minus 4y1 plus 5 equal to 0. This is the third equation. So this is the polar equation of a circle, and this is the this is also polar because you are going to find the pole of this line with respect to this circle. Pole of this line means nothing but this is the polar. So 2 and 3, therefore 2 and 3, here 2 and 3 represents, 2 and 3 represents same line. Okay, 2 and 3 represents same line. Then you have to compare the coefficients. So what is here? X1 minus 3 by, here x1 minus 3 x coefficient, and what is x coefficient here? 3. x1 minus 3 by 3 is equal to y1 minus 4 by 4 is equal to what happened? Constant here is minus 3x1 minus 4y1 plus 5y, and what is the coefficient here? Minus 5. So these 3 becomes equal to Kc. Then what will happen here? X1 minus 3 by 3 equal to K, and y1 minus 4 by 4 is equal to K. From this, x1 is equal to 3K plus 3. First you send 3 to this side 3K and minus 3 to this side 3K plus 3. y1 is equal to 4K plus 4. y1 is equal to 4K plus 4. Okay, and from now take this equation. What is it? Minus 3x1 minus 4y1 plus 5 is equal to, if we send minus 5 to this side, it becomes minus 5k. Now we are going to substitute minus 3 into what is x1? 3k plus 3 minus 4 into what is y1? 4k plus 4 plus 5 equal to minus 5k. So you have to multiply it. Minus 3 into 3 minus 9k minus 9 minus 16k minus 16 plus 5 equal to minus 5k. So here minus 9k minus 16k minus 25k, and minus 9 minus 16 minus 25 plus 5 minus 20, minus 25 plus 5 minus 20 is equal to minus 5k. So once you bring minus 5k to this side, minus 25k plus 5k is equal to 20. This is nothing but minus 20k is equal to 20 implies k equal to minus 1. What we get? K equal to minus 1. Now you have to substitute k value here. Okay, some mistake is there in the question. The line equation is 3x plus 4y minus it is 45. Not 5, minus 45. If it is minus 45, then here we get minus 45. That means here we get minus 45k. So minus 45k. Minus 45. So it becomes 25k. Then it becomes 20k. So k equal to 1. No problem at all. What the mistake is, the question is wrong here. It is not minus 5 because it is minus 45. So if it is, here it is minus 45, here it is minus 45. So it becomes minus 45k. Minus 45k. So minus 45k. So 20k equal to 20, therefore k equal to 1. Now x1 is equal to 3k plus 3. So 3 into 1 plus 3, it is nothing but 6. And y1 is equal to 4k plus 4 is nothing but 4 into 1 plus 4, nothing but 8. Therefore, pole is equal to, what is it, 6 comma 8. So this is the method to find the pole. So this is the easiest method and this is the simplest method, and it is the same for to find the point of contact with respect to a circle and a line, or pole and a line. Pole with respect to a circle. Okay. So tangent point of contact కట్టమన్నా pole కట్టమన్నా ఇదే ప్రొసీజర్ చేస్తామండి అంతే. సేమ్ ఎక్కడ తేడా ఉండదు. ఇక్కడ మాత్రం px1y1 మీద పోల్ అనుకుంటాం, అక్కడేమో px1y1 మీద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ కాంటాక్ట్ అనుకుంటాం. ఇక్కడ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ పోలార్ కడతాం, అక్కడ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ టాంజెంట్ కడతాం. అంతగా తప్ప రైటింగ్ తప్ప ఎక్కడ తేడా. సో ఇది పోల్. సో ఒక సర్కిల్ ఒక లైన్ ఇచ్చి పోల్ కట్టమన్నప్పుడు చేయాల్సిన పని ఏం చేసామో ఒకసారి చెప్తున్నా. సర్కిల్ ఈ లైన్ యొక్క పోల్ కట్టమంటున్నారు. ఈ లైన్ యొక్క పోల్ కట్టడం అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి, దీనికి లైన్కి పోల్ ఉంది అంటే ఈ లైన్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఈ సర్కిల్కి ఏమవుతుందని పోలార్ అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి యాక్చువల్గా పోలార్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇదని తెలుసు, కానీ మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, పోల్ కట్టాలి కాబట్టి పోల్ ఏంటో తెలియదు కాబట్టి px1y1 అనేది పోల్ అనుకుని, ఒకవేళ px1y1 కనుక ఈ సర్కిల్కి పోల్ అయితే పోలార్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏమవుతుంది అనేది పెట్టు s1 = 0 ద్వారా. అప్పుడు ఒక లైన్ వచ్చింది, ఏంటిది పోలార్. మరి ఇదేంటి పోలార్. సో ఈ రెండు ఒకే లైన్ రిప్రజెంట్ చేయాలి ఆబ్వియస్గా. కాబట్టి ఈ రెండు కంపేర్ చేసాం అంటే ఇందులో x కోఎఫిషియంట్ బై ఇందులో x కోఎఫిషియంట్, ఇందులో y కోఎఫిషియంట్ బై ఇందులో y కోఎఫిషియంట్, కాన్స్టెంట్ బై కాన్స్టెంట్ కంపేర్ చేసాం. సో ఈ మూడు ఈక్వల్ వచ్చినాయి కాబట్టి ఈక్వల్ టు సమ్ k అనుకుందాం. అప్పుడు x1 - 3/3 = k అవుతుంది, y1 - 4/4 = k అవుతుంది. x1 = 3k + 3, y1 = 4k + 4. సో x1 y1 వాల్యూని తీసుకొచ్చి మళ్ళీ ఈక్వేషన్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయడం ద్వారా k వాల్యూని మనం ఎవాల్యుయేట్ చేసి k వాల్యూని రెండింటిలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయడం ద్వారా x1 ఎంత y1 ఎంత, తద్వారా పోల్ ఏంటి అనేది మనం చెప్పగలుగుతాం. సో ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్ అన్నమాట. దీన్ని 4 మార్క్స్కి పరీక్షలో చాలా వరకు అడిగే అవకాశం ఉంది కాబట్టి జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి. మీకు నేను రేపు ఇవ్వబోయే హోమ్ అసైన్మెంట్ 5లో మరికొన్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ ర్యాక్లు మీకు అందులో నేను ఇస్తాను, అవి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. So friends, this model is very important in your public examination point of view, and it is asked for 2 marks. 2 marks, it is very important. Compulsory we expect this problem in your public examination. So this model is must for 2 marks in your public examination. So now what is the problem we see? Show that the points -6, 1, comma 2, comma 3. There are 2 points -6, 1 and 2, 3, say P, Q are conjugate points with respect to a circle. So now we are going to show that the given points are conjugate to that circle. So friends, in the concepts class I told you if P, Q, Px1, y1 and Qx2, y2 are conjugate points with respect to a circle s identical to 0, then the condition is s12 equal to 0. What are conjugate points? Suppose if you find a polar with respect to p to the equation of a circle s identical to 0, first of all you have to find polar of p -6, 1 with respect to the circle like previous problem s1 equal to 0, then you get the equation. If this point Q substitutes in that polar, then the equation must satisfy. satisfies means 0 equal to 0, then the 2 points are conjugate points. That is the concept. But this concept, there is a shortcut and there is a formula also there. That is, if the given points P and Q are conjugate with respect to first equation, then what is the condition? S12 equal to 0. So S12 equal to 0. Whenever you are going to substitute in the formula S1 or S11 or S12, first of all you have to confirm that here the quotient of x square and y square are same and must be equal to 1. Is it here or not? Yes, it is here. So no problem, you have to direct substitute the values. So what is S12? S12 formula x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c equal to 0. This is S12. So in this x1, x2, y1, y2 are obtained from these points and g, f, c are obtained to you by this circle. So x1, what is this? Is x1, this is y1 and this is x2 and this is y2. So x1 minus 6 and what is x2? 2 plus y1, what is y1? 1 and what is y2? Into 3 plus g. Here 2g equal to minus 2, g equal to minus 1. So g means minus 1 into x1. x1 is minus 6 plus x2 means 2 plus f. F means 1 because 2f equal to 2, f equal to 1. So 1 into y1. y1 is 1 plus y2 is 3 plus c. C means nothing but 1. From the circle we get c is 1 equal to 0. So you have to observe minus 12 plus 3 minus 6 plus 2 minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4. 1 plus 3 4 plus 4 into 1 4 plus 1 equal to 0. Implies minus 12. 4 plus 4 8 plus 3 11 plus 1 12 plus 12 equal to 0. Implies 0 equal to 0. Therefore, the given points are conjugate. This is the form. So, whenever you are going to show that given 2 points are conjugate with respect to a circle, it is enough to prove that S12 equal to 0. So, here S12 equal to 0 is satisfied. So, the given points are said to be conjugate. And now friends, in this problem, the points are find the value of k whenever if the given points are said to be conjugate. So in this one point contains the variable k. So you have to substitute S12 here. You have to substitute S12 here. Then implies S12 equal to 0. So S12 equal to 0 means formula x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c equal to 0. Implies. So x1 x2 means here it is x1 it is x1 and it is y1 and it is x2 and it is y2. G f c comes from here. So x1 means 4, x2 means k, so 4 into k plus y1 is 2, y2 means minus 3, g minus 5 by 2 into x1 4 plus k, x2 k, f 4 into y1 2 minus 3 plus 6 equal to 0. C is 6 from the circle. So this is 4k minus 6 minus 20 by 2 minus 5 by 2 into 4 minus 20 by 2 minus 5k by 2. Here 2 minus 3 minus 1 into 4 minus 4 plus 6 equal to 0. Here take the LCM as 2 and you set the 2 to the outside becomes 0 and now here 8k minus 12 minus 20 minus 5k minus 8 plus 12 equal to 0. Implies 8k minus 5k 3k and minus 12 plus 12 is cancelled. 8k minus 5k 3k minus 12 plus 12 cancel. Minus 20 minus 8 minus 28 equal to 0. Implies 3k is equal to 28, k equal to 28 by 3. So this is the answer, k equal to 28 by 3. So here like this we find the value of k. So the same model, both the problems are same model, but in the first problem itself we show that the given points are conjugate, and in the second problem we find the value of k if the points are conjugate. So in both the problems we use the formula S12 equal to 0. S12 equal to 0 is a condition that if the given points are conjugate with respect to a circle, this is the condition. Okay, so friends, at this point I stop this session, and in tomorrow's session we discuss about conjugate lines. Conjugate lines. In this session we discuss about conjugate points, and in tomorrow's session we are going to discuss conjugate lines. So based on conjugate lines we do some problems, and those are also very important for your public point of view for 4 marks. But these problems are for 2 marks. Okay? Thank you.